Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S12 Plus Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, as well as we will have a sample download of additional watch faces from its support app. So we have here the Alon app, and we have a section here for watch face market. So we'll explore this and we'll try to download additional watch faces for the S12 Plus Smartwatch. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially on the available watch faces for the Huafit Watch S12 Plus, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the watch faces that is available for our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Okay, so we have here our preloaded watch face. So this is the default watch face. And if you want to change, just long press. So how many watch face do we have? Let's count, starting with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 preloaded watch faces. Okay, let's see with this one. Okay, is this a shortcut? Is it dynamic? Yes. Okay, you can tap on the icon here. Okay, it serves as a shortcut to the application, daily activity, and sports. Okay, so that's the only one. It's a combination of analog and digital watch faces. For the settings, watch face and theme, change watch face, that's it. Brightness. Do we have other options here? Display duration, let's have it 1 minute. Okay, so that's the settings for our screen display. We also have here raise to wake. Okay, then for the additional watch faces, let's have the support app. Okay, so let's access, tap on more. We have here the watch face market, album watch faces. We have here a custom watch face management. I think this is the downloaded watch faces. In the watch face market, so let's explore. Okay, I'm going to connect to a different Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, alright, so here are the preloaded watch faces, or the loaded watch faces for our wearable. We have different categories here. We have recently updated. We have a leaping moment, multi-function dial, simple and modern, mechanical dial. We have business dial, fashion art, illustration and hand-drawn, cute cartoon, and festive dial. Okay, so let's explore. Hopefully it will load. We have more here. It is a bit slow. Okay, as you can see, it's not loading fast compared to other wearables here. So let's wait. So we have here the multi-function dial. We only have 6. I guess this one, it is a shortcut. We'll check it later on. Leaping moment. We only have 4. Although we do have a lot of categories, but each category do have a limited number of watch faces. This one, it's still loading. Okay, we'll back with this one later on. We already have the leaping moment, multi-function dial, simple and modern. Okay, so we do have a lot of options here in the simple and modern. A combination of analog and digital, but more on analog designs. We have mechanical. Seems like we only have two. Okay, we'll not load this anymore. We only have two here. We have business dials. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Then fashion art. Only have 6. Illustration and hand drawn. Let's wait. It's not loading. Okay. Loaded successfully. We have 12. Cute cartoon. How many do we have? It's a bit slow when loading the watch faces. Okay, we have 7. Festive dial. We'll try to have a sample download on the dynamic or multifunction dial. Okay, this one is not loading at all. We only have 5. Again, let's try the recently updated. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Only have 15 here. Okay, multifunction dial. Let's try this one. Let's see if this is a shortcut. Then, sync watch face. Downloading. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. The download is fast, okay? But loading the watch faces here on the gallery is a bit slow. Okay, let's see if this is a shortcut. Yes, I like to use watch face. Humidity. We have the sports and we have the contacts. Steps, yes. Everything here is a shortcut for our application. Every icon here. Okay, nice. I like this one. Okay. So downloading is fast. Let's have another one. Let's see if we can add additional watch face. Sync. How many watch face can we load here on the smartwatch? Let's see. Okay. This one, is it a shortcut also? No. No, it's not a shortcut. The previous one is okay. Okay, so you can load at least 2 watch faces here. Let's have another one, last one. Let's see if we can add another watch face. We'll pick here on the mechanical or simple and modern. Let's see. More. Let's get an analog watch face here. As you can see, it takes time to load the watch face. Although downloading is fast, loading the gallery is a bit slow. Let's have this one. Okay, don't like the design. Let's have this one. Sync watch face, data preparation, and okay, watch face syncing has reached its limit. Okay, you have an option to delete here. So we can only load 2 watch faces on the smartwatch. Okay. We'll have a separate video here. Demo for the custom watch face. Okay, so that's it so far for our watch face market, additional watch face for the Huafit Watch S12 Plus Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.